Hi, my name is Mary Chris Jensen. I'm 59 years old. I've been having arthritis for, quite a few years because it started me taking all these steroids for having ulcerative colitis. Over time, it made me have arthritis real bad. And then Dr. Frisch did a total knee replacement on my left knee. And I've been fine ever since. Once in a while, I get a little stiff here and there, but other than that, I've been doing really good. And then my last appointment with Dr. Frisch, he said, I'm good as new. I can do anything I want. I said, even go up on the roof? He said, sure. So the next day I went up on the roof and took my Christmas decorations down a couple weeks ago. Dr. Frisch is the best. I would definitely recommend him. Anybody that needs knee replacement, hip replacement, or anything. Dr. Frisch's staff, if you call, make an appointment, they're right on it. You can make an appointment same day. They're, answer all your questions. And I even have a text thing. I go back and forth with the doctors and they text back right away. Awesome staff here.